In today's connected world, the best smartwatches do far more than tell time. They track your health, keep you connected, and bring powerful features right to your wrist, all while looking sleek and stylish. From advanced fitness tracking and long battery life to seamless smartphone integration, today's top models deliver incredible value after extensive research. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best smartwatches you can buy right now. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Amazfit Active 2. The Amazfit Active 2 is one of the most impressive budget smartwatches available, delivering premium features and polished design at an incredibly affordable $99 price point. Its sleek stainless steel construction gives it a refined, classic look that feels far more expensive than it is, helping it stand out in a crowded market of plastic-heavy wearables. Lightweight and comfortable enough for all-day wear, it pairs excellent ergonomics with a bright, vibrant display that remains easy to read, even in challenging lighting conditions. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate its extensive suite of 164 sports modes, AI-powered coaching, and comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, stress tracking, and a daily readiness score to help optimize recovery and performance. While the strength training tracking has a few minor limitations, overall performance is remarkably strong for the price. Battery life is another major highlight, consistently delivering 5 days of regular use, and often even more, on a single charge. The built-in AI assistant adds extra convenience, while compatibility with both iOS and Android makes it accessible to almost anyone. For users wanting even more, a premium version with NFC and an upgraded display is available for just a little extra. Number 4. Garmin Venu X1. The Garmin Venu X1 represents a bold new direction for Garmin, combining the brand's renowned fitness expertise with a slimmer, more refined design that's comfortable enough for all-day wear. Unlike Garmin's bulkier adventure-focused models, this smartwatch feels lightweight and sleek on the wrist, making it equally suited for workouts, office wear, and overnight sleep tracking. Despite its streamlined profile, it still delivers Garmin's complete suite of advanced training and health features. From running and strength training to long trail races, it performs exceptionally well, offering in-depth metrics like training readiness, morning report, recovery insights, and comprehensive workout analysis. The large AMOLED display is one of its standout features, providing vibrant colors, excellent brightness, and superb readability whether you're checking performance stats or navigating with full-color maps. It strikes an impressive balance between a dedicated fitness watch and an everyday smartwatch, making it ideal for both serious athletes and casual users. Battery life is the only notable compromise, especially with the always-on display enabled, but with Raise to Wake activated, it can comfortably last around a week, even with regular training sessions. Overall, the Garmin Venu X1 is a versatile premium smartwatch that excels in both performance and everyday usability. Number 3. Google Pixel Watch 4. The Google Pixel Watch 4 stands out as the best overall Wear OS smartwatch, especially for Pixel phone owners, thanks to its refined design, smarter software, and meaningful hardware upgrades. Building on the success of its predecessors, it retains the sleek, circular look that defines the Pixel Watch lineup, while introducing a stunning new domed display that offers more screen space and an even more elegant, teardrop-inspired profile. Available in both standard and new 45mm sizes, it caters to a wider range of preferences. One of its most impressive innovations is its repair-friendly design. The battery and display can be replaced at home, a groundbreaking feature for a water-resistant smartwatch and a major step toward reducing electronic waste. Powered by Wear OS 6, the watch takes full advantage of the larger display with enhanced navigation, smoother interactions, and Google's vibrant Material 3 expressive design language. The charging dock also adds a thoughtful touch, transforming the watch into a compact bedside clock with the crown conveniently positioned like a snooze button. Seamlessly integrated with Pixel smartphones yet fully compatible with other Android devices, the Pixel Watch 4 delivers a premium smartwatch experience that combines style, sustainability, and cutting-edge functionality in one beautifully crafted wearable. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 strikes an impressive balance between premium design, advanced fitness tools, and everyday practicality. While the Galaxy Watch Ultra remains Samsung's most rugged and technically advanced smartwatch, the Watch 8 offers a sleeker, more refined take on that design, making it a more versatile choice for most users. Its slimmed-down cushion-style case looks modern and stylish, while the vibrant Super AMOLED display delivers exceptional sharpness, vivid colors, and excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Powered by Samsung's latest Exynos W1000 processor, the Watch 8 feels fast, smooth, and highly responsive, especially when paired with a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, though iPhone users are out of luck. It excels in health and fitness tracking, offering accurate GPS, detailed sleep monitoring, automatic workout detection, personalized run coaching, and Samsung's unique body composition analysis, which measures muscle mass, body fat, and now antioxidant levels for deeper wellness insights. Built to withstand daily wear and outdoor adventures, it combines durability with comfort, making it easy to wear all day and night. Add in seamless SmartThings integration, reliable battery life, and a feature-rich software experience, and the Galaxy Watch 8 stands out as one of the best Android smartwatches for users seeking style, performance, and comprehensive health tracking in one elegant package. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 3. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 stands at the top of Apple's smartwatch lineup, combining rugged durability with cutting-edge technology for users who want the very best. Building on the success of its predecessor, it introduces major upgrades including satellite connectivity, 5G support, and an improved battery life of up to 42 hours, making it even more capable for extended adventures. Its stunning LTPO3 OLED display reaches an impressive 3000 nits of brightness, ensuring exceptional visibility in any lighting conditions, while slimmer bezels provide an even larger viewing area. Powered by the advanced S10 chip, the Ultra 3 delivers faster performance and enables innovative features like the new wrist flick gesture alongside double tap. Precision tracking is enhanced by dual ultra-wideband technology, improving Find My capabilities, while its highly accurate GPS makes it an excellent companion for outdoor exploration. Crafted from ultra-durable, environmentally friendly 3D printed titanium, the case is both lightweight and incredibly tough, with industry-leading water resistance for diving and aquatic activities. Although it remains exclusive to iPhone users and carries a premium price tag, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 offers unmatched performance, durability, and features, making it the most advanced and capable smartwatch Apple has ever created. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect welder. If you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each welder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.